We had a baby on New Year's Eve, and I was on maternity leave for 5 months. So I went back to work in May, however, still teleworking. So he has always worked. He's an entrepreneur, so he's always been working. So he thinks that I don't work because I work from home. So the cooking, the cleaning, the kids, and so can you tell him, Steve, that working from home is working, and Steve, that because he's an entrepreneur and I stay home and work with the kids, it allows him to be a successful businessman because he can get out there and do what he needs to do because mama's at home.
Wait. I feel everything that you saying. But why the hell do you think it's okay to go on national TV and put our business like, man, you see this dude is embarrassed. Like, what the, now also keep in mind, brother, if you got a young lady that's taking care of everything in the household and it's allowing you to do what you need to do, then what the hell are you complaining about? She's taking care of the household, she's taking care of the kids, and hopefully she's taking care of you and making sure you good. Like, what are you doing? Hold on, y'all. My bad. Sorry about that. Yeah. What are we doing? But again, these type of conversations should be had at home. Y'all actually see. These are the type of conversations that y'all should be having behind closed doors, not in the public eye like this. On national TV. Now his boy's about to see it. Mom, dad, sister, brother, aunts, uncles, this is about to be the topic of discussion. Like, this is worse than going to go and have those conversations about your mate with your friends. Like, that stuff is off limits. But this right here, this is diabolical. This is overstepping to the damn 10th power. You on national TV, and look at her face. Man, let me tell you something. Y'all be marrying some hyenas. That's what y'all be doing. Y'all be locking down some of the most interesting women. Yeah, she might do all this, but I can tell you right now, that takes away everything. When you sit there and air your business out like this, I don't give a damn if she's the most feminine, the most beautiful. I can't even say respectful because this is disrespectful. This is flat out disrespectful, up, down, around the corner, ain't no way around. This is definitely disrespectful. But yeah, don't nothing make up for what she just did at all.
Well, I don't see why you need my help. You've explained
He
it rather well.
He don't think that I'm working.
The audience seems to think that you explained it rather well. He seems like an intelligent man. The question is, how are you trying to communicate this to him?
There it is. Communication. Why is this being put in front of the entire world?
At home. See, no, I know it's a O. But when you at home trying to parlay this, how mad are you?
So I'm a little mad, Steve, and then I have to explain the situation and all the things that I do during the day and how it fits into the family. And then his comment to me is, just remind me never to date a girl that went to Howard because y'all always be having to explain everything in detail.
What's your name, bro?
No. See, you got to be able to read past all the BS. So when y'all are having these conversations from the jump, you already got an attitude about it. I guarantee you, after listening to this young lady, after seeing this brother just kind of like just sit back and whatnot, I don't think that he's the problem. I don't. I honestly don't think that he's the problem. This is probably the chick that be out there probably just starting stuff. Because you do got those chicks out there. Literally, everything be going well, and I call them self-sabotaging individuals. They will find a way to pour sour milk into the damn bowl and try to mix it up. Like, you making everything out of an argument, man. Like, yo, all I asked was, where my plate at? I'm doing this, that, and the third. I done cooked. I done did this. I done took out the what's in it. Whoa. You know, you talk about you want to be a stay-at-home mom. This is what this consists of. Like, what are we doing right now? He don't seem like one of those people that's extremely argumentative. He just said like, yo, bro, I'm gonna let her have it. I ain't even got time. That's just how most of the guys is from that generation. And I can tell by the way that she answered that question from Steve Harvey and how she's sitting there looking at it like, yeah, say something. Say something. They be having talk. Let me tell you something. This young lady probably be talking about her husband to all her doggone friends.
St. James, do you think that when she's at home, do you consider it not really working since she's working from home?
Okay.
When you see somebody laying in the bed saying they working, I'm like, damn, that must be a good career you got where you can lay in the
So what
bed.
kind of job? Well, let me rephrase this.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. I don't wanna.
That wasn't going to sound good thing I edited myself. Does he come home and find you in bed a lot?
No, sir.
So what makes you think that she's not working? She's laying in bed, and what else? Anything else?
Just the constant, just she do it, whatever she want to do. I mean, she could be at Walmart and she'll be like, oh, I'm working. And I'm like, you been out shopping? She like, but I'm still working from home, even though I get to do shopping.
She's working from home.
I have a lunch break, Steve.
You have a lunch break, at the Walmart.
Yes.
Yeah, shopping.
But when he come home, his meals are cooked, Steve.
When he come home, his meals is cooked.
Yes,
Hey,
because he's
hey.
a hard-working man. So when he come home, his
So you have meals when you come home?
I do.
Oh, okay. And hold on. I see what you're saying. And she had the baby New Year's.
yes,
Oh, okay. And she takes care of the baby full time.
yes.
Yes.
Oh, so what we need to do here is we need to allow everybody to get a full sense of what each other's value is. How about this right here? Give her a little Howard University getaway with her girls for the weekend. Just let her go with her girls for the weekend. You take the baby and just sit at the house for 2 days. It don't take no more than that.
To be honest with you, I don't see an issue with that, but I don't think that it's going to fix the problem. The problem, again, it all goes back to communication. These two, I don't know how long they've been married, but it seems like the communication is trash. And the reason why I say that, again, because we are on Steve Harvey's show, and the brother looked like he was blindsided by the fact that she was going to bring this up and talk about that in front of a freaking live audience. Husband and wife have been married for, I don't know how many years. And you blindside this man by standing up, grabbing a mother-loving microphone and talking to Steve Harvey, the audience, and the entire America about your husband and what's going on in y'all household. One weekend with him being with the kid kids ain't gonna fix that. Like, no, they need some counseling. Both of them need to sit down with a professional. I see what Steve is trying to do, but that's a Band-Aid, bro. That's a Band-Aid. That ain't no.
It don't.
2 days at the house. Just the baby. And while you're watching the baby, try to get yourself something to eat. And then while you're fixing something to eat,
Clean up.
try to catch up on the news. While the baby sleep, try to get you some sleep. And after the second day, let her come home. And then let's have another conversation about who don't do. Church say amen.
No.
Amen again. Thank y'all very much.
And that's another issue. You got an audience that's like 96% women. And most of them in there are probably single than a mofo, boy. Been single since season 1, and they gonna be single in season 5, listening to Steve Harvey. Bro, listen. I understand what Steve is trying to do. Try to look at it from, her lens. And try to get a better understanding for, anytime she gets the opportunity to take a nap, to lay in bed, she's gonna get that. I understand that. But again, the bigger problem that I'm having here, again, it goes back to communication, which again, both of them are honestly lacking. Both of y'all need to sit down and have a conversation about what the heck is going on. Because I guarantee this young lady probably having a conversation with her other friends out there. I can almost guarantee that mofo, boy. And this brother, if you got a young lady, my bad, y'all, that's taking care of the household and doing everything else that needs to be done around the house, and if y'all have children, she's taking care of the children, a newborn or whatever, and on top of that, she's still doing a work at home job. Fam, the last thing you need to be asking her is about anything to do with damn work. That's the last mother loving thing. Maybe we can get outside and exercise and work out a little bit more. Stretch them legs. You know what I'm saying? What have you? But outside of that, bro, yeah, I don't get it. That was just honestly a little weird to me, man. Brother got to get it together. But y'all let me know, what do you guys think down in the comments about that?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.